Hi, my name is Vladislav Andreev. I'm an entrepreneur, mental health mentor, and certified psychedelic coach with over 22 years of experience exploring and working with altered states of consciousness. After a long career in the corporate world and strategic consulting, I shifted my full focus to the scientific exploration of mental health and harm reduction in psychedelic therapy. This podcast is the result of years of practical experience, deep research in neuroscience, psychology, behavioral therapy, and my personal transformation journey. Here you'll find comprehensive overviews of entheogens, from magic mushrooms and LSD to ayahuasca, ibogaine, and ketamine. Guides on how to prepare, navigate, and integrate psychedelic experiences safely. Deep dives into trauma, mindset, neuroplasticity, the placebo effect, and burnout. Real stories, scientific research, expert interviews, and key developments in the world of entheogenic therapy. My path includes attending the 5-day ICPR conference in the Netherlands, collaborating with Open Foundation on developing a brand strategy for Europe's leading psychedelic science NGO, contributing to the Psychedelic Care Initiative and other harm reduction organizations, conducting the first ever quantitative study of Russian-speaking psychonauts, being invited to represent the Russian-speaking community at international conferences, developing informational safety guidelines for psychedelic users, creating a custom GPT assistant to provide free support to those struggling with challenging psychedelic experiences. Important disclaimer: I do not encourage psychedelic use. While these substances show tremendous therapeutic potential for treating depression, PTSD, anxiety, addiction, eating disorders, and end-of-life distress, they are not suitable for everyone and can be dangerous without proper preparation and harm reduction practices. Unlike many voices speaking about psychedelics from an abstract perspective, I have personally witnessed their dark sides and possess in-depth knowledge that goes beyond most Russian-speaking professionals. According to an AI-based analysis of all my podcast episodes, my level of neuroscience understanding exceeds 95% of coaches and educators in the field. Beyond psychedelics, I'm also the creator of Sapiens, a science-based mental health program designed to help people strengthen their well-being without the use of any substances. Sapiens is built on the latest discoveries in neuroscience and behavioral psychology, covering the 10 pillars of mental health, from sleep and nutrition to social support and stress management. Why stay and listen? More than 70 episodes of original, deeply researched content. Practical advice rooted in science and real-world experience. A unique perspective on integrating altered states into daily life. A conscious, human-centered approach without glorifying substances. Thank you for being here. Remember, the inner journey is just as important as the outer one. Welcome to conscious exploration. Welcome to entheogenic renaissance.